everyone. Hello. Today is Thursday. No, today is Wednesday. Making the week go by faster. June 3rd. Yeah. So, I've got some news. They texted me this morning and said that my rebuilt injection fuel pump was on its way. Look at this. In this box is a rebuilt fuel injection pump. So we get to open it up together and see what it looks like. Right? Okay. The angle this down so that we have a better view of the box. Here. Yes, we have the box. I don't think I'm going to be in it, but anyways, so I've got a thing to open this up. They got it taped very well, so we'll see. This is worth close to $1,500 that's inside this box. Okay, something this small, kind of like buying a diamond ring, isn't it? Well, don't know what that is. Packaging, bubble wrap. Might have been what I sent it with. They kept the. That isn't the box I sent down though. So this just came from Orlando, so it's not that far away. It's like 50 miles or something from here in Titusville. So here we go. Look at this. It's kind of windy, which is nice because it's kept it cool, because it was hot yesterday and it felt like 106 is what they said yesterday. So that's ridiculous. Today is a lot more pleasant. I don't know. Cleaned it up, that's for sure. Not sure. Oh, okay. The little covers came off, whatever these are that go in there. I'm not sure. So they give you the washers, and yeah. Oh, new. Yeah. Woo. They painted it. Can't see the label of what it is. Kinda, but we don't want that to blow away. So yeah, here you are. $1,500, and I supplied the outer edge, the outer part. I supplied. They rebuilt the innards, and so yes, $1,500. Time it was all said and done. Wow. All right. So my mechanic is going to be putting this in that I hired to take it out. because it's a little tricky. And I'd rather have them do it than me. And I'm not sure when he's going to be able to get to it. Maybe tomorrow. He knows it's coming today, or Friday. We'll see. He told me he'd try to get me in as soon as it got here. So that's what we're working on. Ooh-wee. And it's nice. Almost like a brand new one. All right, everybody. It is done. And hopefully that takes care of my little hiccup in my engine. Been having that hiccup that wouldn't go away. And because they did say it was bad.